call today. It's a short mail call because we have 2 packages, and then we have 2 packages, 2 packages, 2 packages. Your turn, Paul, baby Papa.
Okay. Alright, we got a package in here from Midwest Model Railroad.
Put your face on it.
Ordered some supplies.
Put your face on it.
I can't put my face on it because you have your face on it.
I can't see.
Watch out.
Aha!
Alright, this is package number 1. So what did we get? I know I got...
Hello.
Not home.
Big on price.
That goes in my collection over there. Oh yes. We got some dry transfer decals, box cars, and what should I get? What did you get?
Why does it say do not come?
Because it doesn't want you to... Oh yeah, wheels, that's right.
What do we need to do?
That was the main thing I was getting from there. Wheel sets. Okay.
Why does it say?
Everybody's friend, rail joiners.
Hey,
You never
Papa?
have too many of those.
Hey, Papa.
Yes, sir.
Why does it say DCC?
Because DCC is for running these trains that we have out here right now. And DC is for running Thomas and Percy and the Army train. And it got some wheels. That is following my face.
No,
Yeah. Okay, and now let's get on to the next.
It's a gigantic box.
Yeah, this is from the Sparky's Christmas, and Mike, the Railartist, was giving this away. It was one of his drawings. So.
You're blocking my view.
Put this open here without cutting you, Junior.
I can't see.
There's nothing to see yet. I have to get it open.
I can't see it.
There's nothing to see yet, I said. I gotta get it cut open without
Percy,
tearing it up. You gotta be patient. Alright. Wow, this is awesome. See that? I'll get this framed and get it hung up in here in the train room. Train shed. And this will, thank you very much, Mike. Greatly appreciated.
What's the prize?
This.
Wow.
Yeah, he drew that.
For you?
No, he had some out there. He has a bunch of, this is what he does. He's an artist, that's why.
He's a train artist?
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, yeah, very cool. All right, so that will conclude today's mail call. We will catch you
later. Bye.
Well, it's only got me this time. See ya.